Okay, so we're talking about the pentatonic scale in the key of C, and we're finding licks. And Dale came up with a really cool lick, and we're going to run with his idea. I'm going to take his simpler idea. So remember, the pentatonic scale is C, A, G, I'm calling out the notes, E, D, C, and A, G. I have a low G tuning. This was Dale's idea, and I'm in my finger picking position. It's the E string and the A string that we're playing, so I'm using my middle finger, my ring finger right down here. Some of you may be able to use your thumb to do this. Some of you may find other ways to finger these notes. I come from the world of guitar, so this is sort of home base for me, but find what works for you. So the notes are E, open E, G, A, C. Open E, we press in on the G, 3rd fret on the E string, open A, and then a C. Let's try that. 2, 3, 4, 4. Let me slow it down. 2, 3, 4, 4. That's great. What if we, now we're ascending, what if we descend? So we're just reversing the notes, so it's C, A, G, E. When we descend, 2, 3, 4. My guess is that when you're doing this over the changes in our song, in this case the cat came back, A minor, G, F, E7, that you can just mess with this lick to get it under your fingers and vary the rhythm. I'm just messing with those notes. The notes, E, G, A, C. 4 of the notes in the pentatonic scale. Let's narrow it down and see what we can do with those 4 notes. And I'm tapping away to stay in the pocket. There's some good homework for you guys.